Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Have you ever wondered how my sleigh, Santa's sleigh, looks around the world? Let's take a magical ride across countries and cultures to see how Santa and his sleigh are imagined everywhere. In the United States, Santa's sleigh is bright red, packed with toys, and pulled through the night sky by 9 flying reindeer, with Rudolph leading the way. In the United Kingdom, Father Christmas often rides in a sleigh too, but sometimes he wears a long green robe, bringing gifts through snowy villages in Old English style. In Finland, Santa is known as Joulupukki. He travels in a rustic wooden sleigh pulled by strong reindeer, gliding through snowy pine forests under the northern lights. In Russia, Ded Moroz, or Grandfather Frost, rides in a sleigh called a troika, pulled by 3 horses racing across the snowy countryside. In Germany and Austria, Santa, or the Weihnachtsmann, often arrives in a simple wooden sleigh pulled by horses, bringing Christmas cheer to mountain villages. In Italy, there's a twist. The Befana, a kind old woman, brings gifts on her broomstick. Sometimes Santa appears too, riding in a donkey-pulled sleigh. In the Netherlands and Belgium, Sinterklaas doesn't need a sleigh at all. He rides a white horse across the rooftops, leaving gifts for children below. And in parts of Asia, Santa has a modern look. His sleigh might glow with neon lights and fly above bustling cities, blending tradition with the sparkle of modern holidays. No matter the country, Santa's sleigh takes many shapes, but the joy it brings is the same everywhere. Merry Christmas from around the world. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.